Hello dears, welcome back. I'm going to explain changing from fraction to decimal. We follow this idea, changing a fraction to equivalent decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator. That means when you have a fraction, how you can write it as a decimal, we can divide the number in up by the number from bottom. Like their formula we have compared 2 over 5 and 1 over 4. It will be easier if you change this to fraction to decimal. After that we'll compare. So how we can change it? We'll divide 2 by 5. That means we divide the numerator by denominator. Okay, 2 divided by 5. How we can do it? 2 it's less than 5. From first we put 0. After that from up we'll put point. And next this 2 we put 0 to be 20. Now we will say 20 divided by 5 it's 4. And 4 times 5 is 20. We'll subtract, we get 0. And 1 over 4 also we'll divide 1 by 4. 1 divided 4 is 0. After that we'll pull point from up and 0 next this one to be 10. 10 divided 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. We'll subtract, we get 2. But we don't need remainder for the decimal number. We will put 0 after that we'll divide. We'll put 0 from there to be 20. 20 divided 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. We will subtract, we get 0. Now 2 over 5 is equal to 0.5 and 1 over 4 is equal to 0.25. So it's from place tenths and it's from place hundredths. So for 0.4 it's greater than 0.24. That means 2 over 5 is greater than 1 over 4. We have more example about how we can change fraction to decimal. So we say that we'll divide the numerator by denominator. That means number in up will divide by under. We have 1 will divide by 5. 1 divided by 5 it is 0. After that we put point from there and 0 from there. So from divided, it will remind you say that we take away this point, after that we'll divide. So it will be 10. 10 divided 5 it's 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We'll subtract, we get 0. From B we have 3 over 4. So we'll divide the numerator by denominator. That means 3 will divide by 4. 3 divided 4 it's 0 because 3 it's less than 4. So we'll put 0 from there and after that we'll put point and 0 from there. This one it will be 3.0, but we say that from divide we take away the 0, so it will be 30. 30 divided 4 it's 7. 7 times 4 it's 28. We'll subtract, we get 2. This 2 it's remainder, but from decimal number we don't need remainder. We make it decimal number, so we can add 0 from there to be 20. 20 divided 4 it's 5. 5 times 4 it's 20. We'll subtract, we get 0. And from there also we'll divide 7 by 8. 7 divided 8, from first we put 0. After that we add point from there and 0 from there will be 70. 70 divided 8 it's 8. 8 times 8 64. We'll subtract, we get 6. After that 6 it's remainder, we can put 0 from there to be 60. 60 divided 8 it's 7. 7 times 8 56. We'll subtract, we get 4. And this 4 also it's remainder, we can add another 0 to be 40. After that we'll divide by 8 it's 5. 5 times it's 40. Now we get 0. So 7 over 8 is equal to 0.875. Let's solve some practice in page 111. But before we start, remember that we can change fraction to decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So from there we have 2 over 10. We'll divide 2 by 10. 2 divided 10 it's 0 because less than 10. After that we'll put point from there and 0 from there. It will be 20. 20 divided 10 it's 2. 2 times 10 20. We'll subtract, we get 0. And from number 3 we have 3 over 5. We will divide 3 by 5. 3 divided 5 it's 0. But we make it decimal numbers. We put point from there and 0 next this 3 to be 30. 30 divided 5 it's 6. 6 times 5 it's 30. We'll subtract, we get 0. And from there also we have 3 over 8. We'll divide 3 by 8. 3 divided 8 it's 0. But we make a decimal number, so we can put point from there and we'll add 0 next this 3 to be 30. 30 divided by 8 is 3. From 30 how many 8 we have? 3 we have. 3 times 8 it's 24. We'll subtract, it will be 6. We can take break apart. It will be 10. 10 minus 4 it's 6 and 2 minus 2 0. 10 minus 4 so it's 6. This 6 it's remainder. We say that from decimal number we don't want remainder. we can add 0 to divide again. So we add 0 from there. Next is 6. So we'll add again. 60 divided by 8 is 7 because 7 times 8 is 56 years answer to 60. After that, we'll subtract 60 minus 56 is 4. And this 4 is also remain. Also, we can add 0 to divide again. So 40 divided 8 is 5. 5 times it's 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Now we get it. 3 over 8 is equal to 0.375. From number 5 we have 4 over 8. We'll divide 4 by 8. 4 divided 8 is 0. After that we put point from up and 0 from there. Will be 40. 40 divided 8 is 5. 5 times it's 40. We get 0. So 4 over 8 is 0.5. From number 6, we have 6 over 10. That means 6 tenths. Without divide, you can do it because it's 6 over 10. So it's 6 place tenths. But we can also divide it. Say 6 divided 10, it's 0. But we put point from there and 0 next to 6 will be 60 divided 10. It's 6 times 10. It's 60. We'll subtract, we get 0. From there we have 3 over 20. We'll divide 3 by 20. From first we'll say it's 0. After that we'll put point from quotient and 0 from dividend to be 30. 30 divided 20 it's 1 because from 3 how many 2 we have 1. So 1 times 20 it's 20. We'll subtract we get 10. This 10 is remainder but we need to divide again. So we put this 0 to be 100. 100 divided 20. It will be easier if you put hand over this last digits. We have 0 and 0 from there. To say 10 divided 2, it will be easier. 10 divided 2 is 5. 5 times 25 times 0 it is 0. 5 times 2, 10. We'll subtract, we get 0. So 3 over 20 is 0.15. That's easier way how we can write fraction as a decimal number. Have a good time.